Welcome back to your advanced guide to ranch roping. Today I'm going to give you 2 tips for doctoring a calf by yourself that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. Tip number 1 is all about the length of your rope. So the reason why I pack a 60 footer is to be able to get in and out of this calf's flight zone after I have it roped, right? So if all I have is a 30 footer, I'm probably going to be very close to this calf's flight zone the entire time I'm trying to doctor it, which means pretty much the whole time I'm trying to trip this thing, I'm gonna be right here really tight on it. It's gonna be moving really fast and running around because I'm in its flight zone. So what I try to do is if I get it roped, I'm gonna shut the whole thing down, okay? I'm gonna stop everything. I'm gonna put myself in a position where I can pitch my slack to where it needs to be, and then I'm gonna use my rope to drift out of his flight zone in order to either keep him standing or slow him down. Okay, I can trip this calf from way out here. I don't have to be right on top of him to trip him. Additionally speaking, if the calf is acting absolutely wild and I find myself out here off a 30 foot of rope, I still got 30 foot of rope in my hand in order to position my rope where it needs to be to set a trip, okay? So that is why we use a long rope to do what we do, and that is why we use a slick horn, is so that I can drift in and out of this calf's flight zone solely based on what the calf is offering me. Whether he's slowing down or wanting to run off or whatever the case may be, I can just use this tool to drift in and out of that flight zone. The second tip, guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.